The reason we're upgrading our snow machine is because our older equipment was coming to end of life and we needed to be able to produce a greater amount of snow to be able to improve our guest experience on the mountain.
About 8 years ago, Lake Mountain installed one of the first flake ice machines to be used in snow resorts to assist them in supporting their ski season. The situation up in Lake Mountain is they get a lot of wet air and it's quite hard to use traditional snowmaking methods in order to support their season. So they've been using what we called the Yeti, which was a very large flake ice machine for about the past 8 years up at Lake Mountain. There was an opportunity for them to update that system, and they selected a new Techno-Alpine snow factory. Techno-Alpine uses the latest technology available to increase the snow or the flake ice yield out of their machine, in some cases up to 10 times what traditional methods were able to achieve. And that's where Deacam come in. So we were able to decommission the Yeti and prepare it for transport. It's been sold as a pre-loved device out to Corran Forest in the ACT, where it's performing really well. So we were able to decommission that machine, prepare it for transport, and also install it at the end in the ACT for Corran Forest. We were also able to work hand in glove with Techno-Alpine on the installation and commissioning of the new snow factory.
The fact that the snow factory is up the back of the resort, there is no real proper tracks up there, so we had to spend time fixing up the access tracks to allow semi-trailer access and crane. So that, coupled with the weather, posed a lot of problems for us and threats, but we were quite lucky on the day that everyone went smooth. 4 container trucks arrived carrying it. 2 were with the new pump shed in 2 containers, which we had to unload on the day and move into the pump room. The other 2 containers were the actual snow factory, which needed to be placed in special order.
The advantages that the new snow factory can provide for Lake Mountain is incredible. Where they were producing, say, 50 cubic metres in a 24-hour period with the old Yeti, now they're doing 280. It's a massive increase in the ability for Lake Mountain to produce man-made flake ice, and that has already improved the season before it started. I know that they're actually making so much flake ice up there with the Techno-Alpine system, they've run out of places to put it. So it's a great story.
So big opening day, we'll have Minister and various people, and it'll be open to the public, free access. It'll all be happening. We'll have toboggan slopes running. With the new factory, we'll be able to guarantee 1.5 kilometres of ski trail. So even if we haven't had a full dump of snow, we'll have snow at least on 1.5 kilometres of our ski trail. So we're all excited this end.